Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a smaller haul for you to show you from like kind of what I purchased on Black Friday in the crafting community. I only did a few purchases. One was with Ali Edwards, Citrus Twist, Live Love Posh, and then L Studio. So let's get into it. Sorry, my desk is a mess. I kind of just like shoved everything to the side so that from December Daily, so I can show the things and then I can use said things. So the first was, I decided to get all of the printables from Planet Darbi Sticker Shop. She had the recent release and I just loved her holiday ones. So I have printed them all out already. And I even did this one, which is my favorite, Kendra's Gifts. I printed that one out twice. And I stretched it to be a little bit bigger on this side and a little smaller on that one. So this one's called Kendra's Gifts. This side is called Baking Spirits Bright, and I totally have a layout to do with those already. This is Sassy Christmas Quotes. Then these two are really fun too. This is Get Lit the Brights, so it's already colored, and then Get Lit Blanks, so you can color these in for any color scheme that you want. So I thought this was also fantastic because I can use it on any layout and then color it in with Tombow markers or your Crayola, super tips to match your layout completely. Or you have this color scheme to work with as well. Then this one's called Kendra's Gifts of Green. Beautiful illustrations there. And then this one's called Lyrical Xmas Art. So it has some like words from the famous songs done decoratively. So really cute. And so how I do printables is just take the files and I take two of them and just stick them both in a like Word document. And then I send it to print because I don't have a color printer, just to Office Depot. It's 50 cents, I think, a sheet, or maybe 40 cents a sheet. So right here was like $2 to send. And I always have it for like, in-store pickup, and it's in like a brown paper bag in alphabetical order, and I just grab it and go. So that works really well for the printables with Planet Darbi. So I'll leave the links to these down below. Remember, if you use my name, Tai, T-A-I, and then 15, you get 15% off your purchase. So I'll leave that link down below. Then these are albums from Citrus Twist. I got, this one's called Flamingo, and this one is called Peony. One is a more pinky color and one is like a corally color. I want to leave them in the plastic, but I just wanted to show you that I got two 6x8 albums. They do come with 10 page protectors inside. And what I'm thinking of doing, because you know how I do my daughter's like school year album in the Heidi Swap inserts, I'm thinking for kindergarten for next year. And then for there on schooling, so it stays continuous, to do it in one of these. And then the other one, I almost want to do it like birthdays through the years. And always, because she just turned 5, and I always manage to take like one like great shot with her in her party dress before we go to the party. And then, a few of the party pictures clearly. So I just want to have like a birthday book where it starts off with like, a 6x8 of her in her party dress. And then maybe just a few page protectors worth of pocket pages from the party. And then each year add to it from her birthday parties. So that's my thinking for one. So I figured for one, it'll last me a good couple years. Like I said, it's going to be one large photo and then a few page protectors. So I can probably maybe get, all 18 years. And then she has just like a birthday book is my thought. And then kind of do like school year stories in the other one. Because my daughter is completely girly girl, girly girl, girly girl. Pink and purple are her favorite. That's it. And so while I could have done pink and purple, I just thought if I'm going to do like maybe the rainbow, if this goes well, like for her next book, if I finish up like a school one, or in general, just like stories about her, to get the purple one then, and it's just going to be a nice set on a shelf. Then from Ali Edwards, she had like, what did she call it? It was like a price point sale. I don't know if it was Black Friday specifically, but it could have been like right around there, where things in her store were like the dollar bin, like the dollar section, $2 section, $3, $4, $5, etc. So I had picked up this pack. I think these were separate. A pack of journal cards that all just said today. These might have been from an old Day in a Life collection. These were inexpensive. And then this pack was around here that were 4x6. So they just say around here multiple times. And they're just classic ones that I can use to tell any stories. A wood veneer that says I am learning. It's painted white. This one says grateful for these lessons learned. A pack of rubber little icons. I purchased this one. Oh, it says My Story. I'm like, I'm not remembering the collection this one's from. So it says My Life. There's a heart. There's a star. And it says Create and then a rainbow in there. Again, these were all very inexpensive. So I was just like, let me add a few of these. These were leather circles from, I want to say, the Teach Story Kit. So I didn't add them when they were first offered. But now I've picked them up because I do have the Teach Story Kit in my collection. I got these really large, like wood veneer titles that says The Best. This one says So Good, Real Life, Laugh, and Too Funny. I just love the bright colors and a big bold title. I can use these for many, many different kinds of layouts. And then I got the wood veneers from the recent travel collection. So it's Look, Eat, Up, Rest, Yes, and then it says Fly Away and then Roam. And I'm keeping Roam in there just because there is a crack in mine. It's like broken. So whenever I use it, I need to be very careful to like pin that one and glue it correctly down so that the word isn't broken in between it. So just a few little extra bits, nothing too crazy there, but just to get a few more embellishments and journaling cards. These weren't Black Friday specific, but it was, since Black Friday happens at the end of the month, these get shipped out around that time. So I have the new Heidi Swapp Stop the Blur kit, and then also the Stamp Society stamp. I do both of her kits. Her style is just truly becoming my go-to aesthetic. So this was this month's stamp, making it look like a little postcard. And then the kit colors, because I ordered more of the word definitions, are these. So like blushes, pinks, a little bit of like a marigold, and then these nice green colors together. And then I also got some of these pull tabs that you put them in and they're interactive elements. And so with the Stop the Blur kit too, there's a lot of interactive elements. There's always like a flare button. That one says Storyteller. There's always a washi. This one looks like a ruler. Some calendar cards. These are the little interactive little files that have brad, so they swivel. A 3x4 stamp set, a classic good number. These tiny little labels. There's the thing. Here's more of those definition stickers. There's a white classic alphabet that are in usually her kits, just a different color every month. And then we got these really big blush colored alphas as well. These were really cool to see. Let me show you how. So that's how big they are. See, there's the letter A. And that was this month's kit. So, you know, and for me, sometimes too, I get worried. I always say this, I live in Florida, and I get worried with my subscription kits if they're going to be too wintry themed. And, you know, because it's not cold here and just wouldn't use winter icons. So this, for being the December kit, is fantastic because you can see the colors have really no winter-esque with them, which I love. So I'm really liking this kit and I'm glad I have it. Next, I shopped the Live Love Posh sticker shop. She is becoming one of my favorite sticker shops. I do like Kell of a Plan as well. These I just like a little bit more, mostly because the flowers, the illustrations, whoever does her artwork, and if it is her, I apologize, I just didn't know. I just love these. So this is the winter florals and, oh no, winter blooms. And once again, when I flipped through and I saw the flip through, it wasn't too many, like you saw a few, like pine trees and winter-esque. There was no real snow on it like this one can be, but I could, you know, that was only one page. It was just really beautiful flowers. Like, love that. But I did break down and get Holly Jolly. This one is so fun. And this one's thicker than this one. So I definitely will have this one for a few years. Even between all of my crafting, I don't know if I could ever finish this one up. But for a planner babe that does strictly planning, like these were just so cute. And it has the functional boxes and all your kind of icon ones, which I rarely use. But look at the trees, and they have the illustrated girls on a tinier scale, still some florals. Like, just very pretty. Look how cute that present stamp stack is. The presents are great. And you see like a couple pages all have the same colors. So like 3 or 4 pages go together. This one just very looks like, I call it like Dutch, like, what is that? Like when I think of quilts and stuff, like a very Dutch look. Then this one's all red and green, and you can see the flowers. Look how cute. It almost looks like trim of tulips, but they're Christmas lights. So I just really liked it. This one was very cutesy. Again, with the poinsettias, I can get down with these illustrations because it's more Christmas. A little bit wintry there, but for all of this, loved it still. Just presents. Look at this pink and all sorts of colors. So very rainbow-esque. Look at these. Very realistic ones. And the elf on the shelf is just adorbs. Again, very cutesy with this collection here. And then a classic red and green one again. Only a few illustrations with the girls, but just really, really cute. Love these both. And then last but not least is Elle Studio. Now, Elle Studio last year killed it. I had purchased like 2 of the stamp mystery bags, 2 of the kit mystery bags, and 2 of the labels. Like I did 2 of everything and definitely got my money's worth. This year, I forgot about the sale and I only logged on at like noon on like Black Friday or something, and the mystery stamp bags were gone. And I think I did get the mystery monthly kit. So I do have these 2. These 2 are the mystery ones. So, meaning what you just can't pick them. So I got February's from last year and April, which I'm fine with. So those are the 2 mystery kits. And then I didn't do the label mystery bag only because I still have plenty left from last year. So didn't need to get more. And then I'm just trying to like organize stamps and stickers. And then everything else was just like on sale. So since I didn't get the mystery bag, which was $20 and it guaranteed you, I think it said 5 stamp sets in there. Since I didn't get it, I decided to just get 2. These are normally $25 and I think they were both on sale for $18. So I just got both of the title builders. So I have 2 and 4, which means I already have 1 and 3. So I just kind of got the whole set except for the Christmas one. And I do like using these. Do I have them? I actually have them on my desk over here because I just used them the other day. These are some of my favorites because I can layer them. I like that there's all different types of fonts. Definitely getting into stamping. Love the title builder collection from Elle Studio. I then got the small tile alphabet. This is a small. They did have a medium. That one was sold out by the time I got online, which I could have really wanted. I wanted the medium. And then they have a large one. And the large, I do believe, was like this size. So I didn't want the large, but definitely wanted the medium. Like I said, it got sold out. But I took the small though too, because I am liking doing my memory planning lately in the classic size and in my Heidi Swap. So the smaller alphas I do need a collection for. I picked up the Grateful stamp. The ones I picked up were A, ones I wanted, or N or B. They were also on sale. So if they were normally 15, I think this was like 8. So I got this one. I just like the large titles. Thought that would be good on journaling cards. And then I got Book Review, or it's called Read Stamp. This is their version of it. Studio Calico still has one that's been sold out. And I got 2 packs of the 3x4 journaling cards of Book Review. And this because I definitely want to try to stick to my reading journal better next year, because I kind of crashed and burned this year. So I showed you the monthly kit. So these are the monthly kits that you can subscribe to. So if you're unfamiliar, these are a combination of 4x6, 3x4, and then the die cut sets. So I just spilled those out. So the die cuts are, you can punch them out. Notes for today. So, and you can see the colors that all go. So this is February's. And then here are the, these were the 3x4, and they're always one-sided. And then these were the 3x4s. Sorry, they spilled, and now I have them out of order. So it is a good kit. It's always a very bold color presentation, which I actually love. Some of them have prompts for them, and some of them are just, you know, blank for your own journaling, which I also love. So it's a good kit. I haven't been subscribed to it yet to try it out, but since I always get 1 or 2 last year and this year, I may consider it, because you know how I like to do subscriptions for like 3 months and then change it up and see which one I like more or least or whatnots. So those were the mystery ones. And then the extras that I bought were all the rest are stickers. So I got oh no, this is die cuts. The Ledger die cut tags, just a pack of those. Sincere Sentiments, these are on clear sticker paper. I got 2 packs of Cozy Tile chipboard. Just like those words were good. The Asterisk puppy stickers in rainbow. Hearts and Star chipboard. I think, yeah, I got both colors, the warms and the cools. Play All Day chipboard stickers, just like the big words. And then the tiny shapes, dots, and puffy stickers in the Christmas colors, I think these were. And that is it. So I didn't buy that much this year. You know why? Because I'm really holding out for a photo color printer for my house. And I pretty much, you know, don't need anything. I tried to be good. Like, this is just the extra icing on the cake kind of moments. All right, that's it for my haul. Thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, everyone, bye.